Hi everyone, my name is Winnie. I'm an artist and songwriter from London, and today I'm going to show you how to make an experimental pop beat on Ableton Live 11. Now this video is great for beginners, for people who are navigating around the system and want to make a simple but effective beat.
Now, I really love Ableton in general because I think it's great if you're a beginner or if you're more advanced. When you open up the program, it comes with MIDI and audio tracks already uploaded onto there. Now, Ableton has a bunch of packs and resources, sounds, effects that you can use. And for this experimental pop beat, I'm just looking for like a kind of glitchy drum to go with it. I'm just searching through all the different packs. So for this electronic pop beat that I'm making, I actually want to go for quite a glitchy sound in the drums. So I'm just looking through the skitter and step pack that they have. When you click on each sound, just one tap on it, it gives you a preview of what the drum kit sounds like, so you can hear whether you like the sound of it or not before selecting it onto the MIDI track. So I've decided to go for the Dear Rebane kit. I think that's how you say it. And all I've done is literally double clicked on it and it's uploaded onto the first MIDI track, as you can see there in yellow. So I'm just playing through it, trying to hear the sounds, experimenting, seeing what it sounds like. So once I'm happy with that, I then press the circle button to record at the top. And now I'm just quantizing the beat to make it a little bit tighter. I right click on the session that I'm on, and I like to quantize about halfway on a 16th note basis. And then once I'm happy, I just pressed OK and I listened back. Moving on from this, I'm just looking for something else to double up the kit, and just looking more through the kits that they have on the skitter and step. And this rolling breaks kit looks really good, looks interesting, so I'm going to click on it and see what it sounds like. Excuse my aggressive tapping on this Native Instruments machine. So I'm happy with that sound, so I'm going to click record. Another feature I really like on Ableton is like you can literally just move the bars individually themselves if you don't want to fully quantize the beat. So that's what I'm just doing over here, and just moving this little bar that just was slightly off. Let me just quickly explain what I did. I just went into the glitch and wash pack, which is another Ableton pack that they have, and I really like this synth lead called Upper Perk, so I just tested it out and I recorded it. Now I'm just going to add a few more sounds, so I'm just going to kind of skip through this part and just add a few more sounds that I really like. And sometimes what I tend to do is add effects onto the MIDI track. So what I'm just going on here is just the effects rack and just looking for more space and more of a reverby type sound to the synths that I've just added. So I'm really liking the sound of this, and that's pretty much what I'm doing here.